Welcome to the Majestic Hall, where Decatur area bingo dreams come true. Bingo is Elite Energy Show Choir's biggest fundraiser. We are responsible for fully staffing bingo every Saturday night throughout the year. You will earn $100 towards your student's account for every shift you work, and you are expected to work at least one shift per month. To volunteer to work a shift, you must first go to the Elite Energy Facebook page or check your email. You will find a link called Doodle that is used for sign-ups. Click the link. First, you will see a list of the workers who have committed to that week already. Please note the number of volunteers needed. Your name may already be entered, but you can delete if needed and add any person who is working a shift for you. Click Send and you are done.
Alright, I'm here to work bingo.
Ma'am, you're an hour and a half late.
Well, see, I had to cook something for the kids. I got stopped by 4 or 5 trains on the way here. My dog got sick just on the way here. Had to drop her off at the vet, pick her up, take her back home, then come here. But I'll work a window if you need me.
Today, we'll look at two different bingo workers. First, behind door number 1, Jayla. She will show us how not to work bingo. And behind door number 2, Jose. He will give us examples of how to properly work your bingo shift.
I'm trying to work a window tonight.
I'm sorry, the window's all filled. You have to work pull tabs.
Pull tabs? Dude, my doctor told me last time I checked, I'm not supposed to be walking on my knees. So we're gonna have to switch out or something, cause I ain't about to work no pull tabs. I guess we're gonna have to figure something out, cause she can walk. You see this? I got a limp.
Hi, I'm here to work bingo today.
Perfect. Can you work pull tabs?
Yes, whatever you need me to do, I'm here for the crew.
Bingo!
Oh, you have a bingo?
I do.
Alright, we're gonna have to verify that, okay? 3541.
3541 verified bingo.
My check's out. Little horses, Cadillac Jack.
Cadillac Jack.
I'll take a little horses.
I'm taking a break. Taking a break. Taking a break.
Hey, it's after 6:30. Can I take a break?
I'm sorry, it's a longer break. We'll make it back. Here we go.
Oh, it's okay, no problem.
I'm here to thank you for all the work you do for our show choir. and for giving up your Saturdays to help all the students who love our Turquoise.
Thank you, parents, for coming and helping us with bingo. It allows us to do what we love.
Thank you so much for all the hard work you do for putting in bingos for us, and we all from Elite Energy really appreciate it.
Thank you, EE parents, family, and friends.